Even though the stock market is closed today on Monday, June 20th, 2022 for holiday, the futures market is actually open part of the day and is actually up 1% on the day, actually over 1%, and we are back above the 3,700 level. Now, if we look at the options net flow for Friday last week, this was actually a good indication that ahead of the long 3-day weekend, that the options market was not very bearish. I mean, you can see all the put premiums dropping. This means there are puts being sold, or at least long puts being closed, and the call line is actually pretty steady here. So even though on Friday, let's take a quick look at SPX. On Friday, we kind of put in this doji at the bottom of a downtrend. We could be seeing a reversal here. Now, if we do open up tomorrow and this sort of bounce can continue, I'm targeting the 3,800 to 3,850 area to put on some bear call spreads, probably very short dated, 2 or 3 days, and look for maybe a bounce early in the week and then maybe some consolidation late in the week. I do think Powell has some comments. There's probably going to be some Fed stuff coming out this week, so we need to be on the lookout for that. Now, one thing I'll add is that he did reiterate on Friday that they're going to be focused on containing inflation. So we'll see how this plays out, and we'll see you in the next video.